let's go ahead and go inside. Let's look at the furnace.
Okay.
So you replace the furnace, the coil, condenser.
Yeah. We replaced ducts as well.
Oh, ducts. Okay. So you got a HERS certificate?
Yes, it's here.
Okay, I'll look at that after.
Yeah. Okay. Hello. Okay, here's the owner, Alexandra.
Hi.
Hi, Sandra. Alan, San Jose building.
Oh, great. Hi.
He's good.
Oh,
Yeah,
thank
hi,
you.
thanks. Thanks for letting us do a video inspection.
Sure, sure.
All right.
Okay, go ahead, Adam.
Okay, it was in the hallway like that.
Okay. Yep.
I opened the box already.
Yeah, that's good. Get it. That's fine. Good. Let's start. We'll start the gas coming into the furnace. Shut off valve. Sediment trap. Good. Just follow it up, please. Hard pipe. Good. Okay. That's a high efficiency. You got the. Let's check out the condensate for the furnace actually first. It's just okay. So you're just teeing into the.
Yeah.
From the coil. Okay.
Yeah, I'll show it to you. We did the dig the hole in the ground.
Okay. Okay, so let's look at the grounding on the actual electrical for the. Got a ground, good. Let's look at the whip coming into the MC cable coming into the furnace. The end of the connector. So that might. Let me go back to that. That might not be the right. Do you have a? I need to see the inside of that.
You mean
So
here?
can you take that cup? Yeah, let's take the. Yeah, so let me see that. Let's see where the MC's. That fitting is for NM cable. I don't think that's for MC cable.
Why it's
Let me see the. Let me see the inside of it. Yeah, I see you put the bushing there, but that's not the right. That's not the right end connector. So you have to make sure you get the right end connector for MC cable. What you're using is for NM cable, just the Romex.
Okay, I got you.
So MC cable, the ends typically have a. Well, there's a couple different kinds.
I understand what you're saying. I understand.
Okay. Okay.
Next time will be right one.
Yeah. I think we had the same problem before.
No, we hadn't. We haven't.
No, okay. Somebody else then. A lot of people do that.
I know.
So we gotta stop. I'm trying to teach you to stop doing it.
Okay. I know why, because it's sometimes it's just
Well, what happens is the end of the, and you can look at it on that one, especially the one you just cut. You can see how the end of the cable has a sharp edge to it. And
I understand what he's saying. Yeah, I understand.
yeah, the biggest deal is the movement in the machine. It could shake and eventually it could cut the conductor. So both ends, make sure you have the right. If that's a new flex, both ends need the
I got you.
correct fitting.
And do we have run the MC cable between the fuse tron and the furnace?
So you don't, if it's in a kind of not, if it's not accessible, we allow it. But in this situation, it's probably better that you put it in the flex. It's where it's subject to damage. In theory, the Romex, nobody should be going in there. But typically, the rule of thumb is anything below, like 6 feet should be protected.
Okay, gotcha.
But that's kind of just a rule of thumb. That's not really like a lot of garages in in older homes where they're not drywall. They used to run the Romex exposed as long as it wasn't subject to damage.
Yeah, because I don't know how to damage this cable here if it will be run just to run the Romex here.
Yeah, you probably would be okay. I would probably allow it in that situation. But there's always this in a, let's say like a garage where something could fall on it and cut the conductor or the sheathing.
Yeah.
I mean, that's kind of a rare instance, but it's something that could eventually happen.
And
anyway, for that little run, I would keep doing it in the flex. Just get the. I'm going to ask one of the electrical specialty guys and see what he says. But
yeah, because the thing is,
I can call you back.
Yeah, I spoke with San Diego guy who did the HVAC there, and they're not requiring to do the MC cable, and they doesn't require the fuse tron at all. They just attaching the power outlet.
So in theory, you don't need that fuse stat there, that fuse switch. You can just you can just do a disconnect, but then we have to verify at the panel that that's the correct amperage, the overcurrent protection device.
Okay, good.
Typically at 15 amp. So if you want to eliminate the fuse there, you could just have a switch.
Okay.
That'll save you some money.
No. They just have using the plug with power outlet for just to disconnect the.
Oh, you mean a plug?
Yeah.
Oh no, that's not acceptable.
Yeah, he said.
No, you cannot do it with a plug. A plug-in cord is not acceptable means. It has to be hardwired.
Okay, gotcha. Because
But a switch, you can get away with that fuse though. You can get away with just an on-off switch.
Okay, gotcha.
And then we would double check obviously at the panel. So let me actually see what you have there since you have it. The fuse at 15 amp typically.
Yeah, of course.
Let's see. Can't see the.
It's 15.
Okay, I trust you. Yeah, usually I see the blue. It has a blue and blue white, but that's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, so just make sure again you're using. Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
I don't see those all clear ones too much. Those coming back.
No, it's
okay.
fine.
So we got the condensate, got a trap vent, and then going down in the hole. Okay, let's look up the flue now, or the coil. All sealed up. Okay. And then let's continue up and look at that flue pipe. And then you just went up to the existing cap. Okay. All right. That looks good.
Here's a seal on the door.
Okay.
By the way.
Okay.
Outdoor unit?
Yeah, I think we're done here.
Yeah, okay. I'm closing.
Okay, so let's look at let's go look at smoke alarm since we're in the house.
Okay, I see one smoke here on the hallway.
Is that a carbon? Is that a combo?
Yeah, it's combo. It's like
Combo, okay. Good.
Alexandra.
Yeah?
Can you show us your rooms,
Sure, yeah.
sleeping areas, please?
Sure, hold on. Your dog is right there.
I can't go without you.
Yep, right here.
One
Okay.
here.
First room.
Yep.
Oh, I think the bathroom. Hold on. There.
Good.
Oh, right here. I think that's it for the bedrooms.
Perfect.
There's more in the
Okay,
house. Too.
good.
Where?
Oh, in the right over here in the living room. You see
Oh.
right there?
One more here.
Yeah, that's fine. You got that's all the bedrooms though, right?
Oh
Yeah.
yeah, that was all the bedrooms.
Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right,
We will
let's
go
go
outside.
Okay.
look at the condenser.
See it?
Yep. Looks
Wait.
beautiful.
Questions?
Yeah. Yeah, it looks beautiful. I love it. Let's look at the let's look at the disconnect first, I guess. Okay, what do we got? 30 amps.
Yep.
Okay, let's look at the conductors going into the. So, would you run a new? This was a new air conditioner, right?
Yes.
Okay, so you ran. Where's the power coming from?
Oh, it's a very long way.
Okay. Oh, there it is. Okay. So, since that's all new, I need to see inside there as well.
Here?
Yeah, I need to see inside the panel. Yep.
Okay. 1 second. 1 second. Uh-huh. Here we go. ugly.
Yeah, a little crowded. So what size conductors do you have going there?
10.
Number 10s, okay. And we got a that one there.
Yeah. It's 30
Okay,
amp.
you got number 30 amps, okay. Okay, that looks fine. Well, let me see the ground. Where's that ground conductor going? There we go. Up and you got a little. Okay. All right. Looks good. Labeled. Okay. You know, Adam, in this situation, you probably could have gone right to the AC.
I know, but my guy just prefer to install the series disconnect.
Yeah, that's fine.
Just for
A lot of
make
people-
sure we will pass anyway.
Yeah, the rule is kind of like if it's in line of sight, you could go. You probably could. I would have been okay with it. Some people maybe not, but for that little run, I would have been.
Yeah,
I would have been.
yeah. The code says it's like if it's accessible in 6 feet, we can run just
Yeah.
without series disconnect.
Yeah, they basically call it in line of sight. So if you could see the breaker right, the unit you're working on, and disconnect it. But
Yeah.
it's probably safer to have a disconnect. But anyway, okay, let's go look inside the disconnect. Just want to see the wiring method. So you got the line sides on the left, right?
Yep.
Good. Okay, good. You got your load. Okay, that looks fine there. And then let's look at is the condenser secured to that pad?
Oh, you
What
mean
they do is,
inside? Yeah, it's secured by
oh,
inside.
he screwed it down from the inside. Okay.
Yeah. See there?
Where are they?
The blue. I mean the blue screws.
No, it's where are they? I don't even see them.
1. There. 2.
Is that little? Oh, that little head there sticking up?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. He did it the fancy way, huh? Taking the grill off. Okay. Let's see. Let's see your line sets. Everything coming in. Everything's taped up nice. Okay. Anti-tamper. And then going up. And then into the attic. Okay. Where is your? Actually, let me see the label of the furnace. I need to verify the max overcurrent. 30 amps, good. How big is that unit? Is that a 3-ton?
3 ton. Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Let's look at your condensate. You said you put in a dry well.
Yeah. Let's find out. It's here.
Okay.
I have a.
So make sure you paint that.
Yeah, it's painted.
Oh, it is.
Yep.
Okay. Okay, let me tell you something about how he did there. Next time, I would put the 1.5 inches closer to the wall.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know.
And then bury it. You don't want to see that pipe sticking up like that.
Yeah, I know. It looks like not good.
It's not really wrong. It's just that somebody could step on that and crack the pipe.
Here's a note, really.
Yeah. So tell them next time, dig closer to the house, and
Yeah, they know. I know that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I told them to the
it's
guy.
like babysitting, right?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. What about your? Let's see. We don't have the secondaries, so you're all right. Okay. Let's go up into the attic. You said you got new ducts there.
Yep.
Go look at that. I forgot about that when we were in the house. I didn't want to have you go back in, but sorry about that.
Alexandra? Where's your attic access?
Oh, right there in the middle of the hall.
Just here, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, that's the
oh yeah, I got you.
fan.
Uh,
Yeah.
Alan, I have to grab my ladder.
Okay.
Yeah, please wait.
Fine.
I'll be back.
Okay.
I'll be back with ladder.
Okay.
Shoot. I need to grab my flashlight.
Okay.
1 second. Huh? You have it?
I have one right here. I have a big one.
Cool. Great, thank you. I have a good flashlight.
How's the weather down there? Is it pretty smoky?
Yeah, the air quality says it's unhealthy.
Unhealthy, yeah. I just opened the window in the room I'm in, and it's like an orange sky, man.
Yeah,
It's unbelievable.
Yeah, the same one here.
Terrible. Yeah, I'm up north, but it's pretty bad.
You see it?
Okay, so just kind of go around and just show me the different fittings and make sure everything's secured, and just kind of go. It's a little slower. And then let me see some register boot too. If you see one, let me stop at one so I can kind of take a look at it. Oh, they got a whole house fan, huh?
Yeah. The boot.
Yeah, see it. Good. It's all insulated.
Insulated. All trapped.
Everything's strapped up. Go around. Go one more loop around. I don't know which direction you started at. It's all strapped. What R value is that? R6?
R8.
R8. Okay, good. Better.
I don't know. Here's it looks fine to me.
Yeah. What is that? What's that PVC line there?
Which
Or
one?
is that the line set?
It's a line set. Line set. Yes.
Oh, that's a line set. Oh, it looks white.
Yeah, it's white. It's white. Yeah.
Oh, it is white.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. The white insulation. Okay. Oh, there it is. I got a better view now. Okay, it kind of look. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, looks good.
Dropped every 6 feet. That's supposed to be.
Okay, it looks good up there, Adam.
Yep. Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, it looks clean.
All right. Okay, I will go down.
Okay, the only other thing left to do is let's look at the HERS report, and then could you fix those connectors for me, and then I could call you back, or you could send me a picture. Can you do that today?
Of course I can if you need it.
Yeah, I do need it. Doesn't necessarily have to be done today, but if you want it signed off today, it does.
Alexandra?
Oh, yeah.
Flashlight?
Great.
Thank you. Okay, let me show him the shears test.
So just go to the CF1R, I believe, or 2R. Okay, just let me confirm the address on the top. All right, 71 Kingwood, okay. And then I just go to the back where they've actually signed it. Provider, okay, good. And then let me see up front where, let's see, pass all. Okay, hold on, stay right there. Okay, is there a CF2R?
C of 3R.
3R, okay, let me see. Just that one sheet?
No.
The whole packet.
It's have something else here.
Yeah, it's got another probably.
CF.
Yeah, 3R.
R.
Alright, I'm not even gonna. It's fine, you got it.
Alright.
You did it. It all passed, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so if you can fix that for me, Adam, and then call me back or send me a picture.
Okay.
Whatever, or I could call you, Zoom meeting, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, let's talk with.
Or have the homeowner can even do it if
Alexandra?
you want.
Yeah. Alan asking me redone the connector on the furnace.
Okay.
I will go right now to the Home Depot. I'll get some connectors right now.
Oh, okay, sure.
And I'll be back in maybe 30 minutes.
That's fine. Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
All right.
We'll be here.
So you want me to call you and like I have a meeting right here at 9 now. Want me to call you in like probably 30, 40 minutes, maybe an hour?
Maybe I will just send it to you the picture. No?
Okay.
Yeah.
You could do that.
All right.
You have my
Email.
you have my phone.
Yeah.
Okay.
No. Let me check your email. Your email. Yeah.
Or just email it. Yeah.
Koenig
Email it
Allen.
to me.
Yeah. All right.
Okay.
All right. I will send it to you.
I want make sure you replace both ends. I didn't see the other end of the junction box, but I'm assuming it's the same thing.
It's the same,
right?
same one. Yeah, same one.
Okay, so make sure picture of both.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna find out. From one of the electrical specialty would they allow the Romex in that space?
All right. Thank you.
Just for your information.
All right. Thank you. All
yeah.
right.
Okay. Thanks, Adam.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye bye.
So we're close, I guess.
Yeah, I'm supposed to replace this connector, and we'll be done after that. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me. I will close everything on the back, and I will go for the gate fence. Okay.
Sure.
Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you.
Okay. This one, it's yours.
Okay.
It's just a permit, and